All right, guys, we are about to go up Mud Mountain, and we tested out the 4 high. It will climb in 4 high. It will definitely climb in 4 low. But will it climb in 2 high? That is the question. Tells you with the 2-wheel drive truck, you would be fucked. Switch to 4 high. Now we cooking with grease, baby. Yeah. Put her in 4 and let's go. Oh yeah. And now we have a Jeep with its natural habitat. So 2-wheel drive Jeeps, I would not try to climb up the Mud Mountain. No way. Alright, time to get this baby to the car wash. Alright guys. We have went up Mud Mountain and got our first mud bath. Don't mind that. We had a big hole right here, and we filled that in with spray foam or expanding foam. So we're gonna get the excess off of there, but there's not really anything on the back, obviously, but on the sides, yeah.